Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is NCM Afrik-Ann. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this gorgeous Ankara headband with a bold fabric flower. You are going to be needing about half yard of Ankara fabric or any fabric of your choice. You're also going to be needing 1-inch elastic band, just a little. So the first thing you will need to do, go ahead and fold your fabric like this. While your fabric is unfolded, you are going to be measuring 22 inches by 6 inches. So after measuring like this, just go ahead and cut out. So while your fabric is still unfolded like this, just take this to your sewing machine and close this up by half an inch. You can also do this with your hand needle and thread if you don't have a sewing machine. So after sewing, just go ahead and turn this over to the right side. So after turning, just centralize the parts with a stitch line like this. So it's time to attach the elastic band. So I'll be cutting out 4 inches from my elastic band. So for the elastic casing, go ahead and cut out a little piece like this, measuring 3 inches by 10 inches. So take this to your sewing machine and sew by half an inch. So I've gone ahead to sew by half an inch. So with my safety pin, I'm going to turn this out to the right side. So the next thing to do is to fix in the elastic into the elastic casing. So it's time to fix the elastic to the headband. So I'm going to turn the part without the stitch line to face up. So to fix the elastic on the headband, just place the elastic on one end of the fabric or the headband like this. You can use your office pin to hold this down like this before sewing. You can also do this with your hand needle if you do not have a sewing machine. So this is one beginner's project you can do without a sewing machine. If you are yet to get a sewing machine, this is one beautiful thing you can do with just your hand needle and thread. So after using your office pin to attach the elastic to the headband, just go ahead and sew. So after sewing, just go ahead and tuck in the rough ends like this. So after doing all that, you should have your headband looking like this. So it's time to create the bold fabric flower for our headband. So for the fabric flower, go ahead and cut out a long rectangular piece like this with a measurement of 6 inches by 36 inches. So after doing that, fold into 2 equal parts and close the open end by half an inch. So after doing that, open up your fabric and fold again like this, just as you can see me doing. So after doing this, get your hand needle and matching thread and make some running stitches around your pattern. You're going to be making the stitches around the part where you have the opening. So just go ahead and use the running stitches to bring the mat of your pattern together. So after doing all that, you should have it looking like this. So to make the black design at the center of my flower, I'll just go ahead and cut out a fabric. So just get a little black fabric or any color that will match your fabric. So I'll be cutting this in a circular form. So after cutting out the little fabric, I'll be making some running stitches around this little fabric. This will make this form a pouch. So after forming the pouch, I'll be fixing some pieces of the fabric inside. So just watch what I'm doing. You can also alternate this with any embellishment of your choice. If you do not want to use this pattern to cover the flower at the center, you can use any embellishment to just embellish this part. So after doing that, the next thing we need to do is to cover up the rough parts of our fabric flower. So just cut out a very little piece like this, apply some fabric gum and cover this rough part like this. So after doing all that, it's time to attach the flower to the headband. And on this part where I have the elastic, with my hand needle and thread, I'll just go ahead and attach the flower to the headband. And this is basically all for this. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next fashion DIY. Bye.